Hi people, here's my second live stream I'm doing. I'm here with some good folks from my school Internal Gardens Tai Chi. They've also been longtime attendees of classes like Tai Chi Gala and Dr. Painter's Gathering of the Julong Bagwajang Circle. The reason I'm having them here is because I want to dispel a myth that if you are into Tai Chi or Bagua or hsing-i or Qigong or whatever, only for the healing, that you won't benefit from a martial arts type of workshop. And let's bust that myth. All right, so hello, this is Pauline and Bob. So let me get in the middle here. Okay. So, oh, geez, they don't get on the camera that well. Okay, here we go. So, like I'll hunker in here.
Hunker in.
Like say cheese, yeah. Right? Okay, so I know, Pauline, you're mostly interested for the healing, and I know I won't even go into the amazing things she's healed from, and she's a grandmother. She's had, what, you've had 2 knees and a hip replaced?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
And she's like a rock star. She has the skills of like a gymnast. You would not believe. So you've taken some martial workshops before, I know, with like Dr. Painter, for example, the Bagwazong Circle. And how does that help you, even with your, how does that help you feel, or how is it for you, even though you're mostly into healing?
Well, he'll do it so that he knows you want healing, and so you just join the group, and they're all in agreement to help you with the healing aspect of it. Like all the arts have healing or martial.
So I guess the principles.
You don't have to. Yeah, the principles are the same.
And you're in the same class with people that are there, and they do sparring and they do all that, and so you can basically customize it to what you need.
Right. And I could put more of an emphasis of what I'm doing when I see what martially it is. It gives it a little more oomph. And I get more strength from it.
And I think that's important that we develop that more yang side.
Yes, that's it, because I was very yin.
Yeah, okay, so and you don't ever feel like you had to do sparring or get hurt or anything like that?
No,
okay, good.
I enjoy watching it, that's about it.
That's what I find too, that you can really you can amp it up at your pace, and if you're in a really good class, the people are very respectful. So you'll tell them, well, okay, I, this or that, or I have this problem, or I don't want to really go that hard. But you still learn that skill. I'm also going to talk here to Bob, and he has a very good martial background, professionally, for real, from military and law enforcement. We won't get into great details with that. But how have you found that taking some of the martial workshops has helped you either for health or mental or for your career or any of that kind of thing?
Yeah, it helps both mentally and actually it really helps saving your joints and your limbs by learning correctly to move, and just the movements alone, so you're not twisting your body in the wrong positions in the wrong ways.
So especially, I guess, when you have to react very fast and you're working with someone, this stuff then gets ingrained in you, and it comes out in a way that you are always in the advantageous position.
Yeah, and it also makes you think ahead of what you're going to do. Like, almost like if a person's going to do this, you need to do that, and you're thinking ahead of what they're going to do, almost like a chess game.
Cool. Yeah. So there's just a brief look at how, you have the more healing side, you have the more professional martial side, and how all of that can benefit from both sides, okay? And mentally, that you're able to think differently. You're able to also control yourself and find that centering inside. So that's why I think people should not shy away from taking workshops, taking classes that also are martially based, even if you've never done that before. Again, there's a lot of misconception out there, but a really good teacher will make sure that you're taken care of properly. Okay, so that's why I'm mentioning this from some questions for Tai Chi Gala, as well as for Gathering of the Bagwajang Circle, which traditionally always happened after Tai Chi Gala. That was a tradition started by Zhou Zhenghua, the founder of Tai Chi Gala when it was called Chansun Feng Festival. And we carry that tradition on he really appreciated, for example, that Dr. Painter taught from principle. And that's what's going to give you all the benefits. Okay, so stick true to your principles, have some fun.
And I was going to say, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It's good to be in
A
person.
lot of good laughs.
Yeah.
And the
you
more
know.
workshops you do, the
Yeah.
more things you find out about different types of styles, and it also helps you in your style too.
Yeah,
Yes.
right. You can add, take and choose, pick and choose what you need.
Awesome.
You know, it's good.
All right, everyone. So I hope you have a good evening. I have a class to start, so take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.